Me too. I mean, snakes hide from the heat, right? I'm hiding from the heat all day today. Not that I'm comparing myself to a snake, but we do have dangerous heat alerts, not just today, but through the weekend. An excessive heat warning in place due to actual temperatures climbing over 105 degrees. And this is for all of North Texas all weekend long. We'll likely see this, by the way, get extended into early next week. Right now, Fort Worth, 99 degrees. It's not even noon yet. We are looking at a blue sky overhead and a temperature right now of 100 degrees in Denton. We're already at 101 in Gainesville, Bowie, 100 in Decatur and in Mineral Wells, 101 in Hillsborough, about 97 in Dallas. I'm thinking the temperature, though, is going to climb close to about 103 once we get those new readings in here at the top of the hour at about noon. 105 at 1 in the afternoon, 108 around 3, 110 at 5. If we make it to 110 today, will be considered the hottest day of the year. And I'm thinking we make it at about 111 in Fort Worth, 112 for Denton and in Mineral Wells, 110 in Decatur, about 109 for McKinney and in Sherman. Everyone in North Texas dealing with the triple-digit heat. We're also dealing with high levels of pollution. An air quality alert is in place today. We'll likely see this also for the next couple of days just because our air pattern is not changing very much. We're already reporting unhealthy air quality. That is 3 steps below good air quality at DFW. And one of the issues with this is that if you have respiratory issues, you may want to limit your time outside. You're probably already doing that just because it's so hot out. 110 this afternoon, 108 Saturday, 109 on Sunday. Both of those would be breaking record high temperatures. This is considered to be the hottest weekend of the year if we make it to those numbers. 105 expected on Monday. That would tie a high record, and triple digits do extend into really all of next week. It has to do with this pesky ridge of high pressure, that heat dome. It's on its way into the plains, but before that happens, it moves right over North Texas. That's why we see the temperature just soar today. And we are looking at high pressure here really starting to ramp up our temperatures for this afternoon. It stays elevated through the weekend. On the outer edge of this is where we could potentially see some rain, and that is because of the tropics. Not all of this will impact us. We don't all have local impacts from this, but we do have 3 areas of interest in the Atlantic, 1 area of interest that's going to move into the Gulf, and this is what's going to help bring us a bit of moisture into the state. Not for everybody, though. As of now, the latest model is projecting that this area of low pressure is going to continue to move more towards the south and then take a pattern anywhere from South Texas closer towards West Texas, maybe closer to the Guadalupe Mountains here as we head into middle parts of next week. The more south this moves, the less rain we see. The more north this moves, the more rain potential we have. But as of now, it's not looking all that impressive for us here in North Texas, and it's because of that influence of that high pressure. But we could see anywhere between 3/4 of an inch to maybe an inch of rain. As of now, we're also watching Hurricane Hillary. This is a strong Category 4 storm with max sustained winds of 145 miles per hour. Tropical storm watches have been issued for Southern California for the first time in history. We'll continue to see the record heat here over the next couple of days. Rainfall there for Southern California. Not so much for us here. Triple digits through next week. Morning lows in the low 80s. We'll be back.